Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and hello if you are new. Today we have a haul. I need to put this stuff away, so I'm going to do that, and I just realized that these expired in June and I just got them in the mail. Oh no, okay. They were manufactured June 22nd. Okay, sorry. I got thrown off by that date. Their best buy is July of 2023. I've never noticed a manufacture date before. So anyways, if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a regular, welcome back. Hello. And hey! My dogs are not acting very good today. We got a cold front. It's only 99. So anyways, this is the haul. Let's get to it. We have an 8-pound container of old-fashioned oats. Those are the biggest ones I can find. We can't find the bags at Sam's, so. And then here's the item that threw me off, these Idaho Spuds. They were manufactured June of 2022, and their best buy is July of 2023. And then we have 2 containers of the Folgers instant crystals. Coffee is going through the roof. Well, everything is. Everything is. And I got this for my husband. He likes his Dunkin', but they are getting very small. And then my freeze-dried this week is green beans, zucchini, sliced potatoes. I swear some of their items look dehydrated, not freeze-dried to me. We'll have to see how they fry up. That will be the test. We have some meatballs. These look different than the other ones. So I don't know if they buy them pre-made. And then these are, this is freeze-dried smoked pulled pork. Make some good sandwiches and such, or tacos. And this right here is a 12 boxes of the Rice-A-Roni fried rice. And this one is the Spanish rice. I like Rice-A-Roni. I grew up on it, so. And this is the only Hormel Completes that I can stand, and it is a 7-pack of the Macaroni and Cheese. I've tried, what was it, the Velveeta ones, where you mix the cheese in it or whatever, and it was absolutely disgusting. I got some bubble mailers because I wasn't able to find any locally, so I hope to do more cookbook giveaways. So, and I have one I need to ship, and I got some and they were too small. So this should do. So I have 2 sizes for whatever size books. I got a rubber mallet because I thought we had one and we didn't. So my husband, I make him put a towel over the buckets, and then he would put a 2x4 and then use a hammer. So now we have a rubber mallet. I bet we find one around here when we're not looking. And then I got this fries seasoning flame grilled barbecue flavor, And I have the salt and vinegar, and they're really good to make your own potato chips and stuff. So I would highly recommend, like, if something goes down and we can't get potato chips, but you have potatoes, you can make your own flavored potato chips. So I got the barbecue, no MSG if that's a concern for you, and the sour cream and onion, also no MSG, and I have the salt and vinegar. I got this for emergency purposes, just in case, you know, at some point the things I need for my salsa don't grow. So far I've got bell peppers and stuff out there, so I think I'll be okay. I got a bottle of vegetable oil because I finished one off, so if I finish something now, I replace it. I got a 12-pack of the Healthy Request cheddar cheese soup for casseroles and stuff. You'll want to have your cream soups to zhuzh up your pantry items. And this isn't the color of the curtains, but these are some blackout curtains, and they are a blue. I believe they're blue. Yeah, a dark blue. So I got some blackout curtains for the hot, cold room, the spare bedroom, actually Mitzi and Mr. Tig's room. So that will keep it cool, keep it warm from, you know, losing heat. We've got newer windows, so that shouldn't be an issue. And keep light from showing, like if something does go down and you have your house all lit up, you don't want people to know that your house is functioning to whatever degree. So anyways, that's my haul for today. Not a whole lot, but enough for now. And I'm going to recan that chili, hot dog chili. We are going to do some old-fashioned bread and butter pickles, and I've got to do the doggy treats. So while the cold front is here in the 90s, I will probably do those. So if you are on the channel from the kidney dog food recipe, we have a doggy treat coming out for that, but you probably won't sit through this video to hear me say that. So I think I get a lot of people on that dog food video, and then I put up these videos and they're like, I'm out. So anyways, you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay cool, and I will see you in the next video.